To use radicals is a problem that some students have because they don't know how to use appropriately the properties that we have in radical expressions. That means that to solve radical equations sometimes is a big problem for students. In this video, in this course, we're going to check how to solve radical equations and why you have many solutions but just one of them is correct. Welcome, my name is Hugo Luque. So let's go. This is the equation, the radical equation. The first step that I recommend to do is to solve the equation for the radical expression. So we're going to solve the expression for the radical equation. Two x minus 3 equals 2, so if we add by x and if we subtract by 3, we have the answer. After you have a radical, the main idea is to remember properties of exponents. And in properties of exponents, there's no such thing as distributive property for addition. So, what you have to do is just to raise to the second power both sides of the expression. So if we raise to the second power this expression, we're going to get rid of the root, and if we raise to the second power this side of the expression, we're going to have a perfect square trinomial. X squared minus 6x plus 9. Now we have an equation, a polynomial equation, that is certainly easier to solve. So solve the polynomial equation. So we're going to subtract by 2 both sides to have 0 equals 2, x squared. So subtract by 2 both sides, minus 8x. Add by 3 both sides, plus 12. Remember that to solve the polynomial equation, we just need to factor the polynomial. Two numbers whose product is 12 and whose sum is 8. 6 and 2, negative 6 and negative 2. X minus 6, x minus 2. And now we have to solve apply zero factor property. And we have two solutions. Solution 1. Solution 1 is just x equals 6. And solution 2, x equals 2. 6 and 2. Now check solutions in the original expression or equation. Solution 1. So we're going to use the original expression. the original expression, and instead of x we're going to set 6. Negative 6 plus 3, negative 3. 2 times 6, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So the first solution is true. Solution 2. So let's use in the original equation solution number 2. So instead of x we're going to use 2. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. And 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. And the square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is not 0. So we have to say that x equals 2 x equals 2 x equals 2 is an extraneous solution. What is extraneous solution? Extraneous solution is when you have the solution using the algebra, but as we raise to the second power the equation, we're losing information. And as we're losing information, so one of the solutions couldn't get a right answer. And this is what happened with 2 here. 1 plus 1 is not 0, so x equals 2 is an extraneous solution. So solution is x equals 6. It's the only solution to the radical equation. Okay? It's very important that you check the answer in a radical equation because you have to search for extraneous solutions. As you could see, apply radical equations process is not so difficult, but you need to be careful with the roots, because the roots, the only way to take off the roots is by raising to the second power both sides of the equation. See you next time. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.